And when I made a plan, you always felt boring. And I don't know why I'm still in love, yeah.
from me, but I was feeling it. I was feeling a bit of NEMS, bit of more money, more problems as well. Cool chat, how we all doing? Good morning, man. Good morning. What a day. What a day. It's a beautiful day today. It's warm outside already. Let's get some pips, right? Let's get some pips. Voice is crazy. Yeah, my bad. It's going a little bit, but no, it should be good. What's good? What's good? Eugene, Crypto Maniac, Victory Settings, Noodle Holtz. Chat on Monday, yeah, you're going to come to stream and I'm going to be speaking. And it's just not going to come out. It's just going to be like... Nah, what's good, chat? What's good? What's good, Abido? What's good, Mark? How we doing? We're going for new highs? Indeed. Indeed we are, my boy. Indeed we are. It's going to be an interesting one. But, what's good, Remy? How we doing? Chris Roy, Crypto Maniac. Sign language on a Monday, yeah, trust me. Come to the stream, start throwing up gang signs. What's good, Craig? How we doing? Let me delete these drawings from yesterday. Right. Renato, what's good? How's everyone doing? Cool chat. What's good, Adam? I'm gonna send out the Zoom link right now. Possible buy stop right now. I don't think so. Let me do this analysis real quick because I was looking at it, but we're pretty I mean, we've driven quite far, right? 1 hour close, basically no top wick. We need some liquidity, I think. No way you didn't forget the Zoom. I know, bro. I didn't forget the Zoom. It's crazy, right? That's crazy. It's the first time in a while. But let's do this analysis real quick. So the weekly is an interesting one. For some reason yesterday and today we've just decided to just shoot for the moon, right? Literally just shoot for the moon. We've pumped up. We closed on the daily above the this level over here and this level here. So we closed above support on the daily at 23.43. We've now come up, tapped into, to be honest, the next levels that we would have been targeting would probably be around here, 23.71, and before that 23.52, right? So kind of filled that level so far, but obviously there's a shitload of time left today for this daily to move, right? Question is, does it come down and is this a liquidity grab for a further push down and a fake out like we've seen before, or is this now us having grabbed enough liquidity and loading up to continue the push upwards? We'll have to wait and see, right? But we haven't made the main move of the day yet, so that's going to be very, very interesting. We've also got news later. What time is the news coming in? Let me just check real quick. The news comes in at 3 p.m. UK time, so obviously nothing to worry about for the current moment. But wait, let me move this down. But that is probably going to bring us some volume, and obviously will be a big move later on in the day. Now, let me just turn this music down real quick. Now, on the 4 hour as well, we have no bottom wick, which is really interesting. We have an hour and a half left on that. So, can we, or will we, come down and flip, or is this just a continuation? Realistically, about a month ago, I would have told you that it's likely that this 4 hour is going to flip, but now I reckon with the way that gold is moving and all of that stuff, we should just be good for a continuation upwards. It doesn't seem as if gold's moving how it used to with the liquidity grabs and all that stuff. So realistically, on the 4 hour, we need to come and close back above 23.69 to fill the rest of that 4 hour range. Or to be honest, a closure above 23.61 will do the same job. Now, on the 1 as well, the 1 is interesting, right? This previous 1 hour, I was watching it. It just decided to pop out of nowhere. This 30 had no top wick, so there was no entries or anything, but forming essentially a 30-minute celery right now. However, on the 1 hour, we have pretty clean ranges. I can't lie, chat. Pretty clean ranges. All I needed was a closure above 23.65. For a continuation. We've now done that, and we'd be looking to at least continue up to 23.76. If not, we'd probably be looking at even higher up here around what would we look at here? Realistically, you can either have a level here at 23.88, you can have a level at 23.91ish, but I'm going to use this overall level here at 23.93. That's the wider range there. So if we close above 23.76 there, then you know, you should be good. Now, if we're looking at sells here, what would we be looking at? Well. Sales are going to be far away. Far away. Realistically, 23.48 is the level for sales that I would want to see. That would include the daily flip, essentially. So yeah, that's what I'd probably look for in terms of sales. Obviously, you have a range in between there, range 1 and everything, but there's no point, that's right, like putting that down. The sales below are going to be 23.48. And then, yeah, we've got our buys above here with this closure. So we're going to see how this forms. Maybe we can look at taking either a celery play or an onion play to continue us up to 23.76. And yeah, that's what we're going to be looking for today, chat. Hopefully that analysis makes sense to you. I went a little bit more in depth just now, which should be good. Other than that, guys, drop a like if you haven't already. Free analysis, right? But yeah, let's get it. Should be a good day. Remember, chat, also, it is Friday, right? So it's Friday, and you essentially have, you know, either had a good week or you've had a bad week, but you don't want to ruin it on a Friday. You don't want to make it even worse if you're in a loss, or you don't want to take away your profits if you're in profit. So essentially, make sure you wait for a perfect setup. Only take what comes to you if it's completely, you know, if it's the right play for you. And yeah. Trade responsibly is what I'd say. But yeah, chat, how's your week been? How's all your guys' weeks been? Are you in profit? Was it a decent week for you? For me, it was pretty much a break-even week. I think I ended up about 10 pips up, not even. But yeah, nothing special from me. A bit of a slow week, but not a slow week actually, but just a break-even week. But that's part of the game. They happen. But yeah. Read B, yeah, fair enough. Game B week for me so far, all good. I know you guys are looking at this 30-minute celery right now. I think I'd rather wait and see what this 1 hour does, personally. Only yesterday markets moved. Elsewhere we were range bound and fake outs. Yeah, true. Yesterday was a lot of fake outs too, though. What's up, brother? What's good, Danny? How you doing? What's good, Jay? Wagwan. Big day today, though, chat. It should be good. Fridays have seemed to be moving decently recently. Buzz. Decently recently? Yeah, no, they've been moving well. So, yeah. Hopefully we can get a move, get some positions. And, yeah, I think we should be good. Support on 23.65.5 on the 1 hour. Yeah, that's where we're at, G. That's where our line is, my bro. Good shit, though, Mark. You're right. Remember yesterday's fake out when Donvo hit his initial SL hit? I don't know, bro. I didn't watch any of that. But yeah, did we I don't know. Up 1.5% on one account and was up 3% Apex, but took a 1% hit yesterday, but still up 2%, so happy with that. Yeah, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Just be careful of that trailing drawdown. Yeah, you're good, man. Good week, Crypto Maniac. How was your day yesterday? Any pips? We took 7 pips yesterday, but then got hit break even, so nothing special. And then on stream yesterday, we got a break even obviously as well. So it's been the week of the BE, I'd say. Is Travis Scott teasing music or clothes? No clue. Up 14%, so I'm probably done for the week. I know 14% is a lot, but I'm on a small account. Hey, let's go, Michael. Yeah, on a small account, that's okay. GG's, man. Good stuff. GG's. And good mentality to call it a week. That's fire. That's absolutely fire. Most people won't be able to call it a week when they're on a hot streak like that. So good stuff. Nice, bro. Profit's profit. It was a crazy day yesterday. Expecting 2400 as it's Friday as well. Yeah, we're gonna wait and see, right? But 2400 is a little bit ambitious, I'd say. Well, maybe not. Maybe we need Mustafa to come in and do the crystal ball signals. But nah, maybe. I mean, if the weekly closes like this, then next week I'd see it happening. This would essentially just be a like an onion play on the weekly. If the next week could open up with a bottom wick, we can maybe think about taking a big swing trade. That'd be huge, because essentially you'd then be looking at an onion play being formed on the higher time frames. If we came down first on the next weekly like this, made that bottom wick, we could look at taking some positions maybe around this area here, and then once that candle starts to flip, this is next week, by the way, chat. And then if that candle flipped and broke the highs, realistically, there's no reason why you shouldn't test all-time highs. Well, not even all-time highs, but at least this area here. I don't know, that's just an idea. You obviously have to wait and see how the weekly closes and how it opens up on Sunday, sorry. Right, this would be a sick trade. Yeah. It would be, but everything would have to form right, obviously. Down 2.8% on my funded. Slowly but surely we'll get back to break even. Yeah, 100% you will, bro. 100%. Yeah, 2.8% is fine. You're chilling. You're chilling, man. Especially in Forex props, you're good. Chat, this weekend I'm going to pump out so much content. Oh my god. I'm going to make so many videos. Got so much stuff planned. Chat, I'm so excited for the future of this community. I'm so excited. You got much planned for the weekend, SG? Mad, you asked that question just as I was telling you what I'm going to do this weekend. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. I might be playing golf for a day. But the rest of it, I'm probably just going to stack record videos, because I need to get a load done. So I'm probably just going to record about 800. But yeah, that's about it, man. What you guys? You got anything planned for the weekend, chat? Any big plans? Hopefully you got something exciting going on, or you're just grafting away. One second, chat. I just got to reply to this. Mother's Day Sunday here in Australia. Oh, is it really? Crazy. That's great. That's nice, man. We'll treat your mother then. Get and treat him right. Wow. 30-minute flip or waiting for the 1 hour. I'm looking to wait for the 1 hour, to be honest, because I'm thinking that there's potential for a fake out here. That's what I'm thinking. Give me 1 sec. I'll be back in literally a second. Yo, we back. There's someone at my door. Someone at my door. A little parcel. Party. Yeah, Trendlines meet up. Little party. Not that I drink or anything anymore, but we can do some, you know, have a little fun time. We can go out. Why not? Nah, realistically, I probably would if we did like a big link up somewhere, a big meet up. We'd go out somewhere probably, get a few drinks. Couple Guinness. I'm not a big Guinness fan, I can't lie, or I never was when I drank. It was the girlfriend's birthday yesterday, so I'm taking her to this Indian tapas restaurant and to a hotel for the night, and a few drinks, then more golf over the weekend. Yeah, let's go. I like that. I like that. Good stuff. Paid Apex 214 in commissions this week. That's tough. Yeah, bro, that is tough. But wait until you see. I need to find this screenshot. When I had a TFT account back in the day, I paid them $4,000 in commissions on a 50k account, which was 8%. It was crazy. When should I hit the buy button? It's a bit harder for me to understand as a Hungarian. It'll be pretty clear when we get in a position. Like, it'll be pretty clear. I'll tell you literally, like, I'm going to do this. So like, you'll know, bro. You'll know. What's good, Bej? How we doing? Good. What's good? Commissions don't like. I like commissions on a personal account. On a personal account, I'd rather have commissions and raw spread. Because raw spread's huge, right? But on a funded account, when you're trading demo and they're still taking commissions, I'm like, bro, you know, like, I don't know if you guys have ever thought about that, but you're trading a demo account and they're taking commissions to execute the trades that they don't even have to pay to execute. So there's no need for them to take commissions. The only reason they take commission is to make it harder for you. That's the only reason. You're not even trading on a live market, right? You know what I saw that was funny, right, the other day? Not funny, but interesting. Did Alpha Capital take commissions, SG? No, they don't. Alpha Capital do not take commissions. So yeah, commission free shit. Thank you, Jay. No, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I saw a thing. Someone tweeted on Twitter saying, it was a theory that these funded account companies, you know how they all run like poker competitions or games nights or whatever it is. He was saying that it was a theory that they do that to distract traders. It's very interesting because I was thinking about that. They always run like in the middle of the day. They always run like, you know, during peak times. It's never like a weekend competition or anything. I think it was TFT that used to do it. They used to do like so much. They used to have a poker tournament. They used to have like a I don't know what it is, like a racing game tournament or something like that. Chess tournaments, shit like that. To like distract. I don't know if it is specifically to distract people, but it's an interesting theory. It would make sense, right? And these funded companies are smart. It's not like they're idiots. They're very smart people. So yeah, interesting. What time zone do you have your trading view on? I don't know. My time zone, I presume. Yeah, my time zone. BST. Objection, hearsay. Yeah, you're right. You're right. But yeah, chat. Let's see. So we got 11 minutes. This 1 hour close here. If we can close like weak bearish, okay, and then on the next 1 hour, come down, grab a bottom wick, and flip. We'll take the break of the highs as a celery play, and then we can use the current candle stops here, which is going to be. Jeez, that's a huge what? Chat, this candle looks tiny, and I've just checked it, and it's 62 pips. That means this candle is... What? Chat, yesterday we were moving like... I suppose we were moving a little bit, but this candle looks tiny. It's 62 pips. Wow. Just got a dub on some Chicago SB dunks. Hey, let's go, Mark. Mr. Reseller over here. Guy's hustling. 15 years old, you know, and he's hustling, reselling shoes and trading. That's goated. You gotta respect that, Mark. GG's, bro. That's actually huge, bro. That is actually huge. I love to see that. I actually love to see that shit. Guys in this community, 15, 16, 17, whatever, but side hustles, trading, trying to make a living for like yourself. It's insane. Such a good community to be in. The bet this week and lost 70% of last week's gain. I'm going to sit my ass down as I review those trades. Coming back harder next week. Hey, Raphael. That's firstly, welcome, and that's a good mentality to have, bro. Review your trades, see what happened, and yeah, keep pushing, bro. Good stuff. Chat, the vibes this morning are flowing, eh? Positive vibes this morning. Cool, chat. Yeah, so let's see. We've got 9 minutes here. Drop a like if you haven't already. Much appreciated. Positive vibes only out here. Oh, that's actually a good point. Hang on a sec. Let me do this real quick. Yeah, I'm so excited for what's to come. I'm so excited for everything that is to come. So much coming. Perfect. Let's yeah, let's see what happens here. We've got 8 minutes. Today's going to be a good day. 1 hour till the 4-hour close. And yeah. Hopefully, we need a strong 4-hour close, I think. To be honest, it might be a 4-hour play. I don't know. We'll see how the one closes, but I feel as if we've pushed without much liquidity, well, without actually any liquidity being grabbed. So, in my opinion, we need to come and grab liquidity at some point. Multi-income is the way, bro. 100% multi-income is the way. Think about it. The average millionaire has 8 revenue streams. 8 revenue streams. And people are saying you should only trade or you should only do some of this. Nah. The average millionaire has 8 revenue streams. So you're telling me I'm gonna make myself a millionaire in a different way? No. Very good point, Victory Settings. Very good point. 62.5 is a good liquidity point. Good point, actually. Let's have a look. Yeah. 61.5, I'd say. 61.5, 62 flat is around the area that we're looking at. That's what we're looking at around here. Cool. 6 minutes here, chat. Let's see. We close like this, and I'm more than happy to take something because this is essentially just a 1 hour salary play, right? We're looking at closing above, respecting this level. Bottom wick, flipperoonie. Either flipperoonie or the break of the highs. One or the other. Also might be a 15-minute onion play, which could be interesting. That could be interesting. The 15-minute onion plays have been hitting recently. This one here. Zelly Bay was good. Welcome. Bro, Eugene, what is that you just sent? Bro, chat, I'm going to show you something in a bit. You know those marketers that like comment underneath people's posts like I trade with Becky underscore Forex underscore whatever. Bro, they're getting so creative. I had them comment on my thing the other day, but they had a guy that was like a plant. He asked a question that was like a fake question about trading, and then he had like all these people reply underneath to promote this one woman. I was like, bro, that's so creative. It was so funny, man. I had to give it to them. I had to be like, GG's. That's the type of marketing I'm looking at. Obviously not like that, but you know what I mean. Hi Mia, what's good? Happy Friday. How are you doing? That Lucy Trades can do one. Bro, isn't it? Yeah, what's the other one? Is it like Nancy? Is it Nancy? I think it's like Nancy something. Where do I see my comments? Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, look at this chat. So you got like literally right there, they're like some guy, this is obviously one of the bots, right? He's like, I'm new to investing and I've lost a lot of money or whatever. And then instantly straight afterwards there was 14 replies of like, Mrs. Nancy Williams. And then they're like, Nancy's strategy is Nancy is considered a key crypto strategist. Please, how can I reach out to her easily? Right. That's such a creative plug. Jolyn, what's good, bro? How you doing? SG, did you answer my question from yesterday? Nah. I don't know what your question was, bro. But ask it again and I'll be there. I'll answer it for you. Or try to at least. Oh, 2 minutes disclosure here, chat. 2 minutes. W answer a ring. Is that what I said? My bad. People I know, their Facebooks get hacked. Yeah, I've seen them. I was skeptical about this. I get ones where it's like, I'm so happy. I'm now making good money trading with so and so. Is that bro? Nancy was Sid Vicious's wife. Who's that? A wrestler? Oh, like a musician. That's a rogue call out from you. Interesting here, chat. So we got 2 minutes to the closure here. Realistically, if we could get like a 30-minute bullish closure here, and then a bottom wick and a flip, we could take a 30-minute onion. 15-minute onion's also there, but I think I prefer the 30-minute onion, obviously. Yeah. We're going to have to wait and see how this closes here, chat. If we wanted a 15-minute onion, it's going to have to close bullish. Quite strongly bullish, too. Otherwise, the 1 hour celery is still available, right? And there's still potential for that. We might just have to wait and see how everything forms. Realistically, chat, it might be a 4 hour play. Because then the 4 hour is going to close. We know that it's not going to come down and flip on us. We can take a look, but let's wait and see how everything forms here, chat. Lock it in, though, man. Lock it in. Maybe we hack Nancy's Facebook. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Cool, chat. 20 seconds here. Are we going to close above the range still? Interesting how we just started to retrace at the end of this, literally in the last like 50 seconds of this candle. Very interesting. We closed above, right? Which is good. Closed above here. What did we do first? I reckon we go for a top wick first. Oh, no, maybe not. Wow. Okay. Obviously, there's no 15-minute onion play here. There's nothing on the 30 minutes. So the only thing we can look at right now is the 1 hour celery. Now, someone explain what you mean by onions and celery. They're code names. Yeah, bro. Raphael, if you go to my free course here on YouTube, basically I explain all these entries, but that's just the name of the entry types. But yeah. It's not bad here, chat. Little bottom wick. I can't take anything on the flip here, though, unfortunately. Just because there's actually no setup there on the flip. But potentially, if we come down, grab some liquidity and break the highs, we could be looking at a decent entry here. Still 60 pip stops, though. I have no clue how this candle is 60 pips. But then this one's only... Yeah, okay. I don't know if that's an optical illusion, but this looks very, very small. That's what she said. It's crazy. But yeah, let's wait and see how this forms. I don't know if this is an optical illusion. Insane. Insane. Oh, okay, cool. By the way, I use your psychology journal and it's helped me a lot. Hey, let's go, man. Let's go. I'm glad to hear that. I'm very glad to hear that. Glad it's helping you out. That's all I can ask for, right? The aim of the game with that. Screenshot that. Perfect. Cool. So we sort of flipped here. I don't know if I want to take this celery, if I'm truly honest right now. Still 38 pips to the break of this high, and then yeah, there's not much volume or anything. We'll have to wait and see here, chat. I'm not sure. We might be taking a 30-minute onion too. But we're just going to have to wait and see how everything forms here. At the minute, for me, there's not really a setup. That celery is okay, but it's also not the best. The wick's a bit overextended, right? So if that wick was a little bit shorter, obviously you'd have a better advantage point, bigger stops. But, bro, what? Saddam Sultan and Saddam just put dots at the exact same time. Is that the same account, or? But what's good either way, both of the Saddams. Watching from 2 devices, okay. Okay, bro. Good stuff. Appreciate it. This guy's, pushing up the viewers. You gotta rate that. You have to respect that. It's bigger than it looks, the candle I'm in. Yeah. The go-to. It's a go-to saying. Pushing here though, chat. Pushing. Dream getting bigger every day. It is, man. It is. It is. We're growing slowly. Not slowly. We're growing. I wanted to say slowly and surely, but we're actually going fast and surely. Continuous increases, right? Crazy Mac build. That is unreal from you. That is suspect. For the max. Pause. 100% pause. Yeah, but yeah, chat. Let's see. So, I still think there's a lot of potential today. We just need a little bit more more data from the candle closures. You know, some more confirmations and all this stuff. Once we get that, we should be good. Should be good to get some positions here. I do believe we will be good to get some today. So much potential. So just got to stay locked in. Stay out here. And then, yeah, we'll be good. We just hit 2.2k subs, by the way, chat. Appreciate you all very, very much for that. Absolutely huge. Much appreciated. I'm pretty sure we hit 2K like last Friday or something. So, yeah. We'll do a giveaway if we hit 4K subs by the end of the month. I know you guys know about that, but if you're new and you don't know, then I'll do a big giveaway if we hit that. Volume's starting to come in a little bit. Interesting. The issue is that the only issue I have is it's not that if we break the highs that we won't drive, because we potentially could. But to get to that break of the high, you're already going to have to have driven like 50, 60 pips on this candle, right? Sorry, 40 pips on this candle. At that point, could easily just be it could just be a liquidity grab, you know? So I'd rather wait for the closures, even on the 30-minute, like a bullish 30 closure, then a flip and a drive would be a good entry. If not, then it'll be the 4-hour, right? But we're gonna wait and see here. Obviously, it's Friday. We're gonna take the perfect setups. Would it have been better if we broke the previous candle bottom wick before the flip? Now, the best thing would have been if this the ideal thing for this would have been if we closed a bit weaker bullish, right? So if we close something like this, where this previous 1 hour just now closed like, I don't know, this, let's say, with that big wick like that, then you're obviously way more bullish, right? And you're looking for, you know, your firstly smaller stops, secondly less room to break the high. Once you break that high, you should be good to continue after a bottom wick. So, you know, that's what we would have been looking for. But at this point, you know, we closed actually more like, you know, this, and now this candle's all the way down here when it opens. So like, by the time you flip, you're already, you know, quite far up. Makes sense? This is nothing like, I don't know, that's like written in the rules or whatever. Obviously there is no rules, but for me, it just makes more sense for us to have you know, more of a bullish confirmation right now. But cool, chat, cool. We missed the last one by like 3 subs. I know, chat. Yeah, in April we had a giveaway where if we hit 2K subs in April, by the end of April, that I was going to give away some funded accounts, and we got to like 1,990 or something. I was like, yeah, 10 subs off or something. So I'm a man of my word, right? I had to stick to the giveaway rules. But this time I think we've got it. I can't lie. I think we've got 4K by the end of May. You got exactly 3 weeks from today. Easy money. Morning, guys. I got in on some of this move at like 6:15 UK time, 23:56. Got 25 pips and then closed. Good shit, man. Udin, what's good, man? Morning, but that's yeah, that's fire. Good position, man. Good position. What's up, bro? Almost thought you had the PO3 indicator on by 2 degrees. Bro, what is that? Am I about to get like the power of 3 one? What is that? Oh yeah, because of the zoom drawings. Okay, I feel you. What does this do though? Is this to show me the daily candle? I'm not really I don't really know what the power of 3 stuff is. See people having this though. Can't see this because it's just a higher time frame candle. Yeah, okay. That's kind of cool though. That's kind of cool. But yeah, see what I mean, chat, about like we're just hovering around here right now. Which I'm not the biggest fan of personally. feel as if we made the move a little bit earlier, and now we need to reload a little bit. Yeah, we just need to reload. Grab some liquidity. Either it'll be, either the liquidity will be, generated in the form of a range, just up and down, up and down, up and down before a move, or it'll be generated by a bottom wick and a continuation. Or maybe even a full retracement. But either way, we're gonna need to grab some liquidity and some. We need some volume to come into the market too. Do you take wick entries? If so, can you give a quick explanation on how and when you take them? Did I just read that out? I don't know, but I feel like in my head I read it, but I can't remember. Anyway, I'll read it out again. I do take wick entries, but not very often, to be honest. It has to be like spot on for me to take a wick entry. Something that I also do, Max, just to put another caveat on it, is I only take wick entries with the bias. So I'm never going to take wick entry sells right now. Like, for example, if we come up here, I'm never going to take those wick entry sells. I'm never trying to do that. So a good example would be, let's say this 4 hour now comes and closes above the range. If we now come down, if we closed above, sorry, 2369, close above there, then come down and break the low, I'd probably be looking at taking that. But essentially, it doesn't always have to break the low. We'd probably be looking at normally, just a closure above on a 4 or a 1 hour, preferably the 4 hour, and then look at, finding liquidity areas. So realistically, we're looking at, here, 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 and around this area here. And we just wait until that area is tapped with no bottom wick, and then we take a wick entry for it to flip. But yeah, essentially, I don't take them very often purely for that reason. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully that makes sense. Bill Vass, what's good? Welcome, welcome. Tutti Fruity, good morning. Elaine Walters, what's good? Try this indicator, ICT, higher time frame candle. You don't have to go back to lower to look on any time frames anymore. Oh, okay. ICT, HTF. Oh, wait. Hey, bro, did I miss anything? Nah, you're all good, man. You didn't miss anything. ICT, HTF. Bro, what is this? Is this the 4 hour and then the daily? It is, isn't it? No, now this is the daily and the weekly, right? Mad. That's way too confusing for me, though. I can't lie. Yeah, it's way too confusing. But I can understand how if you use that, it makes sense. Kind of cool. But yeah, that is way too much for me. I'm not gonna lie. I'd rather just go back and look. The viewers absolutely plummeted when I put that indicator on. Yeah, we don't use indicators, okay? We don't actually use indicators. I mean, those are alright because they're just showing you candles. They're not like entry indicators. But yeah, it's just a bit of a distraction for me personally. Okay, pushing here, chat. Interesting. Can we maybe see a 15-minute onion play forming? Maybe. My brain does not like that. Yeah, nah. Are you waiting for price to drop because the 4 hour has no bottom wick? Nah, we're waiting for, to be honest, at the minute, we're waiting for some more confirmation. Just more candles to close. I just want to watch the price for a little bit longer. But no, we're not looking for sells. We're looking for buys. Weekly has no top wick. No bottom wick, do you mean? Oh, yeah. Previous weekly. Yeah. I don't know if we'll grab it today. We could do. But yeah, that's not a bad analysis. But then at that same point, if we start to break those highs with a weekly closure up in this level, I don't see why you wouldn't continue there. 15-minute closed. Potentially an onion play forming. I'm not looking at taking that right now. I'll show you guys my broker. Yeah, we'll wait and see on that one. Yeah, no, there was no bottom wick or anything on the 15, so I couldn't take that. Either way, we'll wait for this 30 closure, see what happens. If we get a nice little bullish closure, then a bottom wick, we'll look at taking maybe an onion play. And then if not, it's going to be a 4-hour closure that we're going to have to wait for. Make sense, chat? Alright, I tried changing this name yesterday during the stream as well. I have no idea how a worse name to use. Yeah, behind you is kind of a crazy name. I like it there. It's kind of funny. Behind you 146. I know Remy's at work creasing at that one right now. Mental names, trust me. Trust me. But yeah, chat, make sure you're, you know, in the Discord as well. Obviously free community in there. I've got so much planned, chat. So much planned. I'm so excited. I shared some of it with some of the guys in the group yesterday. Man. Super excited for stuff to come. Big plans over here for the community, for everything. Nowadays, no Zoom joining in. I don't know what you mean, G. Pushing here though, chat. Very interesting. So that 15-minute celery sort of played out. Obviously, no bottom wick, so we couldn't take it. Might start to dry up here, chat, but I'd rather wait for a 30 closure first. If we close bullish like this, then that wouldn't be a bad play. If we close bullish, especially above this level here, we can look to use previous candle stops. Yeah, that might not be too bad. Let's see how this 30-minute closes here in 11 minutes. So lock it in, chat. There's some potential here, for sure. Definitely some potential. Just got to stay focused, lock it in a little bit. We should be good. 30-minute onion as well. Yeah, exactly. That's what we're looking at, main. Only issue I'm seeing is this level here, which I do believe we closed. Expecting. That's the only minor issue I can see, but in reality, I don't know if it's going to play too much of a role. GG, what's good, bro? How you doing? What up, gang? I'm doing well, bro. How are you? Let's see though, chat. 10 minutes here for potential positions. Lock it in. Tried that yesterday. Might as well just keep it at this point after being called out, lol. Yeah, you may as well, man. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a little bit funny, but we like stuff like that over here, so we're chilling. We're chilling. Yes, jokes, keep it. There isn't a lot of resistances until 2387 either. Yeah, not really. Looking pretty nice. Till 2387. Yeah, true. Very true. Have to wait and see if we can get an entry here. Realistically, we know the direction. Well, not know, but you know, we can sort of assume where we might be going. It's whether or not we need a liquidity grab, and then it's whether or not we can grab an entry. Good reminder, Crypto Minute. Let me drink my coffee. It was a long night last night, chat. I was up till super late. I was up till like 2 AM last night. Which for me is super late, obviously, because I have to wake up at 7 to stream, so. Part of the game, though, man. Part of the game. Yeah, by the way, if you're listening and you're part of the Clash of Clans clan and you haven't done your war attack, if you don't do your war attack, I'm going to be livid. So make sure you do it. Kick them, yeah, maybe. Bro, we're close to winning. But we just need these guys at the top to make their attacks. Have you tried Rise Mushroom Coffee? It's straight? Nah, I haven't. I need to be in next one belly and unattacked. I know, bro. I know. Morning chat. What's good, Abdullah? How you doing, man? How you doing? Yeah, I think we had like to be fair, I think we're closer than we were before now, though. Still getting spanked, chat. I can't lie. Oh no, we're good. We're chilling. We just need the people at the top to attack and we'll win it. Bro. I need you to find out who's Bad Boy, who's Wiztown, who's Macamillion. Josh hasn't even attacked, bro. When Josh gets on for the pixel I'm gonna flame him. I'm gonna ban him from. What's your clan I want to join? It's Team Trendlines, man. Team Trendlines. Literally just like as it's spelled. It's getting huge. Yeah, we're gonna ban Josh from Pixletters until he does his war attacks. Bro, I thought you were talking about War and Real Life. My bad, bro. My bad. What's good though, Max the Flash? What's good? Do you take any sups? I take creatine on and off. Most of the time I forget my creatine, I can't lie, which is not good, but you know, creatine is good. I used to take ashwagandha, not anymore. I also take some nootropics. But I don't know, I don't have the link for them, I don't think, so I don't want to tell you them and it'd be wrong. I don't know if they give me the link or not. Either way, chat. Moving on. We have 6 minutes to this 30-minute closure right now. So there's a lot of potential, especially if we close like we are right now. That's going to be it's going to be a decent closure, I think. I'd be happy to take that with a bottom wick. So let's wait and see what happens. Morning, SG. How we doing? What's good, Dan? How you doing, man? What's good? What's good? Where will we stop loss if take by an onion? Realistically, we're probably going to look below this low here. If we break that, we should be yeah. If we break that, then the trade's pretty much invalid. But what I would say also is we need to be careful how quickly this forms, because if it gets to the 4 hour and the 4 hour wants to come and make a bottom wick, then that's going to stop us out, right? Because if you're using 30-minute stops, which are here, that's not really a big enough bottom wick for the 4 hour. So, you know, 4 hours going to want to come down much, much further. And I don't really want to use 4 hour stops because that's 140 pips. So we just have to make sure everything forms correctly. Would you like a link, G? Can get you one ASAP. I'm pretty sure I had one in the WhatsApp, Eugene, somewhere. What do you think to getting funded from ACG? How's your experience? I like it, man. I've never had any problems with their platform. Their conditions are fire. Dashboard's really nice. I have a review on ACG on my channel too. If you want to go watch that, there's a prop firm review. Yeah, we can get it going if you want. Yeah, we can do, bro. Just send the link in here. Someone just asked about them, so just send the link in. I'm pretty sure Eugene, go to the WhatsApp. I'm pretty sure I had one. Or yeah, you can just generate one. Good. Yesterday, very unfortunate day. My stop was 100 pips and hit on 2 pips. After that, price runs 300 pips. But got 70 pips back after on the same idea. Oh, that's tough, bro. Those are always really tough when it just taps your stops and then runs. Like every B that we've had this week, right? It's just tap the stops and then run. It's a shave, chat. Wow. But yeah. Actually, I think there's a resistance on the 1 hour at 2369.4. Have a look, shall we? What's good there, buying? You mean this? Or do you mean... Yeah, you mean this. Nah, this is not really a level. This is a minor level, maybe. But at the same point, you know, we came up here, didn't break the lows and continued. It was more of just a retracement than a resistance, in my opinion, this bit. This is you know, just a continuation downwards, so I don't see anything there. On a 4 hour time frame. Trade's not based off the 4 though, bro. But you're looking at this level. Yeah, that's more of a support, I'd say. I don't think we have any problems. We've got clean traffic throughout this range. Got clean traffic, especially if we close here on the 4. Should be good to go, man. Should be good to go. Bottom wick and a flip, and yeah, we'll be chilling. Should be chilling, chat. But let's see. So the 30 minutes going to close in 2 minutes over here. A lot of potential for us. And yeah, hopefully we should be able to fill this range. But obviously, I want to see what the 30 does first. If it forms quick enough and we get a bottom wick and a flip straight away, we'll get in there. And then, you know, with the anticipation of being out before the 4 hour close, or at least break even. And then if it doesn't form straight away, it takes its time, comes down, does a little bit of whatever. We'll wait for the 4 hour close because we don't want to get caught on that 4 hour bottom wick if it wants to make one. At the same time, chat, it doesn't have to make one, right? The previous 4 hours have no bottom wicks, so you know what it is. You know the move with gold when it's making these pushes? You know the move. You have a video in where you covered all FAQs of ACG. Yeah, on my channel, if you go to the videos, there's a review of ACG. It covers pretty much everything. But I didn't go through like all the FAQs one by one. But it's everything you need to know. Please tell us about the move. I will if it forms. I'll join tomorrow and I'm still in Clan Wars. Alright, bro. Not the biggest fan of this little retracement just here now. If we close like this, I can't really take it. If we closed like strong bullish like we were before, I would have been okay. But since we're just doing this now, I'm not a fan of that. Not strong enough. Doesn't mean that it won't, you know, flip and break the highs again. It might do. But, not really my move. That's not really my move, to be honest. Yeah, so 30 closed here, like, almost weak bullish. Bottom wick first too as well. That would have been so clean if we just closed a little bit stronger bullish, I'd say. Technically, it's still an onion play, but this is more of a Mustafa move. I'll wait first. What's good, Casperia? How you doing, man? I'm thinking if this is going to be a wick retest, it's going to be at the level and then move up. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Give me 2 seconds. I've got to go do something. I'll be back in literally 1 sec. Yo, we back. We back. We flipped it. Wow. What are you guys counting? What are you guys counting for? He must have died taking ages getting back. You might actually start counting. That's crazy. Cool. Chat, we flipped up here. So if we start to push, no FOMO, none of that stuff. Not a bad play, but we started to reject here on the 30, which I did not like. Yeah, I really didn't like that. So okay, we're looking to come up. What it's going to be here is we're going to wait for the 4-hour close. That's going to be in 26 minutes. We can get a decent closure on the 4-hour bottom wick, then that should be we should be good to go. There's definitely some potential here, though, chat. We just need to wait for everything to form right. Today is going to be a day of patience, right? It's going to be one of those days where if you can remain patient, stick to the plan and all that stuff, and then, you know, execute when the opportunity finally arises, then you're going to be good. You're going to be good to go. 2369 major level. I wouldn't call it a major level. I'd call it a very minor level. But if it's a major level for you, then yeah, fair enough. I just think, yeah, not too bothered about it. I know it's a 4-hour support, but we'll see. Today we'll make millions, maybe. Maybe if we get 100,000 pips with a 1 lot, and you can make $1 million in a trade, or get 10,000 pips with a 10 lot. 1,000 pips with a 100 lot is $1 million. It doesn't seem that difficult to do. Wait, did I do that right? 1,000 pips, 100 lot. Yeah, that is right. That is right. Seems very possible. You just need a big enough account. And a swing trade. Big swing trade, yeah. Trading is always easy on paper. Of course it is. Of course it is, man. But yeah. But yeah, man. Yeah, drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate you all for being here very, very much. Huge support from you guys recently. The vibes this week have been stupendous. Absolutely stupendous. I'm very excited for the coming weeks, coming months. I'm enjoying waking up and streaming every day. It's a huge part of my day now. I couldn't really do, like, you know, couldn't go without it. So appreciate you guys for pulling along with me. And yeah, let's try to get some pips. Try and, you know, level up our trading together. And if you're thinking long term, like I am, give it a year's time. Look where everyone's going to be. Everyone's going to be somewhere very, very good, in a good place in their life. Hello fam, hello bro. How did I miss any action today? Nah, you didn't. Team trend lines off the charts, yes sir. On the top, mate, always. 100%. 100%. Come on. Staying up for now, 4-hour wicks can be brutal. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. That's why, that's why I said if this 30 formed correctly, right? If we closed above this level here at 23.69, we probably would have, you know, if we came down first and flipped, we probably would have been in and out before the 4-hour close. But now that it's, you know, hovering around here, we don't want to be in here because this 4-hour wick could be, yeah, could be huge, right? And it's going to take our stops if we had 30-minute stops or 1-hour stops or whatever it is. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait for that 4-hour, see what happens, see how it forms. Realistically, the 4-hour close is gonna need to be above 2369.1. It doesn't need to be. Okay, it's closing still above the level here at 2361. But ideally, yeah, we'd tap into this level up here. I think the daily still has room to push upwards though, to at least 2372 minimum. Just you know, we need to see how everything closes, everything forms. And yeah, it might be the case that if we don't get something on stream today, I'll be sending something in for New York session, and if not, then you know, we'll call it a Friday. It's what it is, right? We're in no rush, we're in no, you know, we don't need to force trades, we don't need any of that. We stick to the plan, and yeah. Yo, Mustafa's back. Where's price going, bro? Where are we tapping today? Get out the crystal ball, my G. What's good, Mustafa, though? All jokes aside, hopefully you're doing well. Smash that like button, no diddy. You don't need to put no diddy after that. You don't need to put no diddy after smash the like button. Nothing suspect over there. I already get 26k, bro. A lot of money. GG's, man. You made 26k today. More than I made. It's an attention grabber they sleeping on, bro. Yeah, you're right, man. You're right. Who did you learn price action from? I learned from Don Vo. always an interesting question to me. But yeah. How many did you get? What? How many what? You said I already get 26k. Do you mean 26k dollars? How many did you get today? 0. From trading. I wish I got 26k. Here's that, yeah. Ethican Rind. Don knows his stuff, but his stop loss will give me PTSD. Yeah, man, it's just about the trading style that, you know, that you prefer. Yes, I get 26k. I just wake up. All right, man. Good stuff. I'm getting off, mate. Gonna call it a week. Wish you in the chat all the best. Have a good weekend. I'll catch you Monday. Yeah, see you in a bit, Michael. Catch you in a bit, man. 26k ZAR is how much dollar? That's like 1k. 22 South African rand per pound, I think. It's like 1k. Is 2369.6 a valid level? This level here? No. 2369.6. This, right? No, I don't think so, especially on the 4. I think we're good. I think we've got clean traffic all the way up. Only issue would be 2369.4. 19 ZAR to the dollar, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, probably. To the pound, it's 22, I think. But obviously, the dollar's worth less than the pound, so. Yeah, what's good, Mark? He's back. Listen, man, look at DXY. Bro said, listen, man. Now he's telling me what to do. Crazy. Listen, man. I got ancient Greek in 20 minutes, so I have to leave. Yeah, no worries, bro. Mark's got to go talk to Socrates. And, Marcus Aurelius. That guy's Roman. Marcus Aurelius. Don't listen to that one. But Socrates, he's Greek. My bad. If DXY is going down, gold will go up. I love you, bro. Yeah, I love you too, man. Those are funny messages to send next to each other. Yeah, I love a bit of the Stoics, though. I don't know if you guys are interested in the Stoics, but I like it. I'm very involved in all that stuff. Good old Zeno. Sorry, my English is not that good. Nah, bro, we're just playing around. I'm just joking, man. Your English is fine. Your English is good, man. Your English is fine. Oh. 15-minute close here, chat. See what I mean about this 30 pulling back? Because the 30 pulled back and closed sort of below this level, this is why we started to hover around here. And now it'd be getting to the point where we'd be in drawdown, or break even at least. And we'd be thinking, you know, do we want to be out of this before the 4-hour close? Probably. Might get a little bit tough if we were in this trade right now, but we're not. Obviously. Oh, my back just cracked like crazy. I got a new vlog coming out either today or tomorrow, depending on when my editor gets it to me. Either today or yeah, tomorrow. It's gonna be sick. The next vlog's gonna be fire. I'm well excited for that. You watched on stream? No, I don't. I don't watch anyone stream. Apart from myself, technically. Yeah, I worked with a lot of guys from Africa and Eastern Europe. Sometimes the English comes across as rude, but they have good intentions. It's just they don't fully. Yeah, no, bro, I know. It's all good. All good. But I think when I speak to Americans, they sound rude. I speak to a lot of Americans and they come across as really rude. But in reality, some of them do. Some of them do. Whereas in reality, I think it's just a different culture out there. Then I was actually speaking to another guy the other day, this American guy from North Carolina, and he was like the most polite guy ever, like literally just proper gentleman. So I don't know. Lies, he watches my private streams on Earth, crazy. How did you build up capital? Did you work and trade at the same time? Yeah, I did, man, I did. I used to be, I don't know if you know this, but I used to work in a law firm. I used to be a, well, solicitor. So I used to do that. And then, yeah, then I saved up the money, got accounts, personal accounts, and a couple of fundeds, and then, yeah, just went full time basically. Once I started making, I wasn't making enough, I wasn't making like more than I was at my job yet when I quit, but I was making enough to be like, okay, let's do this. So I moved back home temporarily, and then I started trading, and then, yeah, never looked back, right? So, brother, just got out of fat drawdown and requested a payout thanks to you and the guys from DVS. Learned a lot about psychology. Hey, let's go, bro. Very happy to hear that, man. Very, very happy to hear that. GG's, man. W Nadir. Congrats on the payout. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. How many languages do you speak or know, SG? English. I speak a little bit of German. Well, I speak a decent amount of German. Not like fluent. I wouldn't say I'm fluent yet. Trying to get there though. Really trying to get there. I understand pretty much everything in German. So like, if someone spoke to me in German, I'd pretty much understand everything. But just the speaking bit's not quite there yet. Not only a little bit, don't be shy. Bro, you know what it is? In my head, I can say everything, and then when I try and spit it out, it just doesn't come out right in German. I don't know why. Maybe it's a confidence thing. Maybe it's because I don't want to get stuff wrong. Like, I hate speaking, you know, when I hate speaking and not getting it right. I'd rather not do it than get it wrong, if you know what I mean. And that's a terrible, like, British mindset, but it is what it is. Okay, chat, wir sprechen nur noch Deutsch. Yeah, we can. You know a lot in German, you even know what Spaltmeter are. Yeah, well, yeah, true. Mark's been on the old Google Translate. Love to hear you speak German, lol. No, that's the other thing as well. I have a British accent when I speak German, which I hate. I hate it. My girl's always like, you need to fix your accent because you sound British. Yeah, you're right. You think in English and then try and speak in German and your brain just glitches. Yeah, I think you're probably right. No, when I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking in German about what to say. And I know I can literally conversate with someone in German. So like, for example, my girlfriend's parents, obviously, they're speaking to me in German. As they're speaking, I know what to say in my head, and I'm speaking back to them in German. Then I try and say it, and it's like not coming out. I don't know. It's weird, strange, but yeah, man. I can do some of the very, very basics only because I did it at school. Yeah, bro. English schools are terrible for languages. Like everyone that I've met from Europe or from, you know, any other country pretty much, they obviously speak their native language, and then by the time they're about 6, they can speak English pretty much fluently. Right? Maybe not 6, but like 10, let's say, they can speak English like pretty much fluently. And then they're learning like other languages too. And in England, we start learning like another language maybe when we're like 13, and then by the time we're like 15 or 16, we drop it, and we don't know anything other than I went to the cinema with my friend. Yeah, I don't know. minutes chat to this 4-hour close right now. 10 minutes. How many languages do you speak? Like 1.5 basically, Mark. 1.5 basically. I think as long as we close above this level up here at 2361, we've got some room to push up. Ideally, I'd like us to close above 2370. That'd be the best thing that we could do, but there's only 9 minutes and I'm not sure if we're going to do that. So, in reality, we either need to pull back or we need to continue pushing, but it's going to have to be one or the other. My 4 hours still has 1 more hour. Yeah, it depends what broker you're on. Or if you're trading on futures, then you'll end up, yeah, being an hour behind, basically. But yeah, doesn't really make a difference, right? Because overall, most people in Forex are going off this Oanda chart. So if you trade off of this, then, you know, you're probably best off. Probably better off. It's like almost the centralized sort of, you know, chart that people use, just because Oanda's the biggest broker that there is out there. Which is crazy, by the way, because I've never met anyone who actually uses Oanda, which is really weird. But yeah. Eight minutes though, chat. Let's see what happens. We're starting to push here. Very, very interesting. I'm using my broker chart. That's why. Thanks, brother. Yeah, all good, man. All good. I think it should be fine either way. It should work out for you. Is it really the biggest broker used? I didn't know that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm almost certain it is. You're making me doubt it now that you just questioned me. But biggest Forex broker by volume. Apparently it's not. I thought it was. Oh yeah, no. Apparently it is. Apparently it is. Or it's one of them at least. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. The big ass broker. Founded in 1996, you know. Crazy. Cool. Either way, they do the cleanest candles. Yeah, they actually do the cleanest candles, I can't lie. Overall target is 23.92, right? A top wick for that weekly candle, of course. There are levels on the way up. Yeah. 100%. If obviously we're probably not going to hold for that long, but yeah, I think we can look to come up there. We could definitely look to do that. What does -0 protection mean in XNES? Firstly, I wouldn't recommend using XNES. I'm not the biggest fan of it. But -0 protection means that if you full margin your account, say you've got $100 in it, you full margin it, and it goes massively the wrong way. Some people, so some brokers, you would end up being, you know, like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in negative, right? And then you owe the broker that money, and then they can come and take your assets and shit until you give them the money. But -0 protection means that you're never going to go below 0. I'm pretty sure. Or you could just use Google and just get the actual answer, like the guaranteed answer. But from what it sounds like, that makes sense. Are you in deals? What does that mean? Like broker deals? Oh, are you in a position? Nah, I'm not in a position. If we close like this would be ideal. It would be ideal. Yeah, chat, imagine like back in the day, I think with options traders too, they have it where there's no -0 protection. But I've seen like things about options traders where it's like they've ended up being in a situation where they've been 70k in profit, and then they go down and now they owe the broker like 100, 200k. And like it's just a kid. It's just a kid that's full margined an account. Crazy, right? Absolutely crazy. Yeah, luckily we don't have to worry about that, any of that stuff. Luckily, right? Right, what you bro want me for, Spion? That means if you trade $100 and has a loss of 200, so the net is minus 100, then you don't have to pay the 100 to your broker. They reset your balance to 0. That's why XNES is the best. They don't reset it to 0, bro. They just stop the trade from going. They don't just give you an extra $100 out of negative for free. You just lose your $100. It's the same as any other broker in the world. Asian did its thing again and pushed over 220 pips. I know, yeah. London too. Like early London. Interesting though here, chat. We're about to break this high. We did just break that high. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Pushing here, chat. So can we pull back and leave ourselves a little bit of a wick before the 4 hour? That'd be absolutely ideal. That would be absolutely ideal. Let's see though, chat. Let's see. Yeah, what just happened there? My thing just went off. Okay, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Nice, nice, nice. We good? What happened with the sound there? Yeah, we're good. Okay, cool. So the 4 hour is closing in 2 minutes here. If we can close above this level now, that'd be ideal. That'd essentially be what we're looking for here now. We can close up here above 69.4. Yeah, that'd be huge. Bit annoyed because Onion would have played out, but it is what it is. The Onion didn't really form properly though, bro. Like, I mean, it kind of did, but not really. Essentially, yeah, it wasn't the best formation for us. So don't be annoyed about that, man. It's just part of the game. It is what it is. Mustafa's back at it again, though. GBP AUD is going up, maybe. Maybe. Bro, what for that 170k in minus on a broker? Bro, when options trading first started picking up, everyone was in America was just like full margin in options, and they'd either make a shitload of money or they'd get spanked. I'm thinking to start trading, so XAUUSD, US oil are the best to trade with 0.01 lot for 3 months until I learn. How's the thing exactly works? Because I know in the beginning I'm going to... Bro, you're leaving me on a cliffhanger. Yeah, just do that. Trade small accounts. How big does the bottom wick need to be? That's a good question, Dan. Realistically, I'd like to see us come down and tap into 2364 levels. That's where we've come into last time before we've come up at this area. So that'd be ideal, if I'm honest. If we look at the 1 though, what can we see? Last time the 1 came up, I mean, this is a bit different. These are all a bit different. Yeah, realistically, this is around the area. 30 seconds though, chat. Are we even going to close above? That's the question. Big rejection there, chat. Just took a winning trade on 2 of my futures, done for the day. Much love, Trent. Hey, appreciate you, bro. GG's. Chat, gold is toying with us right now. Absolutely toying with us. 8 seconds here. We're going to close above or below? Let's see, right? This is not symmetrical. It's killing me. Perfect. Okay, we closed above. That's good, but we made a top wick first, which is not ideal. Crazy. I have no clue why it does this, right? So the 5 rejects heavily, and the 5 is pushing downwards, and then suddenly, for no reason, 4 hour opens and decides to just sprint upwards. Navman, what's good? Welcome back to the chat. Yeah, guys, we need a bottom wick. Gold been doing this a lot lately. What's good, Caleb? Yeah, bro, I know. I mean, realistically, we expected it because it's done this previous however many candles. It's just annoying. Not even annoying, but like, I don't want to say annoying because it's not annoying, but it's just, I guess a little bit, I don't know what the word is. Just not ideal is what I'm trying to say. It's not ideal. What's good, Toby? How you doing, bro? How you doing, G? Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. How are you? How are you? Gold is playing. I know, man. Victory settings, I know. How long did you trade with small accounts until you know Forex works? I traded with small accounts, I don't know, for a couple of months, and then I just was, well, it's the same account as I still have now, right? I was just, like, I never blew a live account, so it's the same account I have now, and I just kept depositing when I could, and then obviously it just got bigger. How that one works. Let's see, chat, though. If we can come down here and make a bottom wick now, and it's still valid. Let's see. Yeah, we just do need some liquidity to be grabbed at least before I can take a position. Because now you're going to get in a situation where, you know, if you take a buy and the 4 hour flips, then you're in big, big trouble, right? Big, big trouble. You check chats to stream? I got you, man. I got you. eurjpy just chilling in the range. Hang on. I can't drag my tab over. Yeah, eurjpy just chilling in the range. What time frame is this? One hour, right? Yeah. Yeah, you're right, man. Good chart. Just chilling in the range. You can look to take some positions in this range because it's quite a big range for eurjpy. But I would say you're completely right, man. It's very good analysis. Exactly how my analysis would be, bro. So I mean, you just watch me chart it up, right? That's exactly what I do. So good shit, Spion. Good shit, my boy. Pushing there. Maybe you're gonna get closure soon. 4 hour flips and makes a bottom wick, then reflip and a buy stop on the break of the previous 4 hour high looks good for me for the best in this situation. Yeah, bro. That's what we're looking for as well. Nice little bottom wick on this 4. Flipperoonie, reflipperoonie, break the high, and then we'll be in there. That's what we'd look for, 100%. Why did you stop trading eurjpy? Because it started doing what gold's doing now and just pushing without wicks. But now that I look at eurjpy, it's now moving with wicks. So, I don't know. Well, no, I do know why I quit, because it just stopped behaving like, you know, like it used to. It used to be super clean and everything when I was trading it earlier, and then now I'm trading it. Now I'm looking at it again, and it does look clean. So I might have to look at it, reintroduce it. But I'm just gonna watch it for a little bit. I just want to, you know, see how everything's forming, see how the movements are, see if there's volume, all that sort of stuff. Just analyzing at the moment. I do always look at it though, almost every day. Not almost every day, almost every session. What's the minimum amount to add in a broker to start trading? I don't know, it depends what the broker is. If you want to use my broker, the link's down here. I don't think there's a deposit minimum, to be honest. If there is, it'll be like $100. How old are you, SG? I'm 23, bro. Bro, Mark says 43, that's crazy. Or 85, I'm not sure. Ridiculous from you, bro. Ridiculous. Crazy. Chat, we're pushing up here. No FOMO. We had no entries here, right? Absolutely no entries. This is why as well. People say, why have you only had, what, 14 trades on stream? This shit is why, because this session has just been a nightmare recently. But, again, that doesn't mean we change our trading, right? We don't change anything. We don't start impulsing any of that shit. We're just, you know, waiting patiently, let's say. Just going to be patient. So excited though, chat, for everything to come. Everything in the future. Everything that we've got planned. Content, trading, scaling, all of that sort of stuff is the plan has been made. It's now just time to execute. So yeah, so excited. We buy here, don't you think we'll be buying the top? Big trading boots. That's a cool name, by the way. No, because the thing is, right, if you bought here, people would have said you were buying the top. You bought here, people would have said you were buying the top. Here, 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 when we broke all-time highs down here, everyone would have said you were buying the top, right? But we know, and our style of trading is to move with the momentum of the market, right? So we understand that the market is trending bullish right now, and we're gonna go with the flow of that. We're gonna try and jump on the wave, and yeah. Basically we just jump on the wave, catch a little bit of the move, and get out. That's our trading strategy. Very simple, very easy, but it works. But it works. What age when you start to trade? About 18, 19, I think. So like 3-4 years ago. I've thrown up. Eugene, why have you thrown up? Definitely thrown up gang signs or something. Hey, Trumpet Guy is back. Trumpet Guy brings entries a lot of the time. Yeah, he kills it. Trumpet Guy in the background smashes it every single time. Man, gold is wild. Yeah, it's interesting. Dan gold tweaked. Yeah. Not much I can do here, chat. What are we waiting for, SG? What's good, Joe? We'll wait for this 30 closure. It might be the case that we're, you know, looking to fill this range before grabbing a bottom wick. So if everything forms right, we could look at getting an entry. And if not, then we're gonna have to wait for some more closures. But in reality, we could just drive here without a 4-hour bottom wick, as we have done previously. So that's what I would say. I just want to see how everything forms right now. At the minute, remember, you know, we said about times to look for trades, time to not, time to hunt, that type of stuff. Now is really not the time until we get one more closure. So we're gonna wait for a 30 closure. We'll start hunting, right? Today might be one of those days that you close your eyes and buy. Yeah, it might be. It really might be. But that would have been it last night. What's good, Tyler? How we doing? Always coming in with beef. That's crazy. Yeah, I wait for this 15 to 30 minute close. After that, I call it a London session and wait for NY. Yeah, possibly. Feebler. Yesterday, I told my brother to buy from 23.13. He laughed. Bro. 23.13. Crazy. Crazy. I told my girl's parents to invest in gold at around 1800. It was about a few months ago. I think it was around here, yeah, like December time. So don't chat to me, because that would have been the best trade in the history of Team Trend Lines. I don't know how many pips that is. Like 7,000, I think. I think he bought physical gold as well, so I don't know, but fire. Absolutely fire. Gives me some brownie points there. I don't know this setup. 23.56 was a buy. Move is done. The move is done is always a crazy thing to say, because how do you know? The move could have been done here. The move could have been done here. Could have been done here. The move could have been done here. Could have been done anywhere, my boy. Tap it on record, yeah. Trust me. 7,000 pips. Slap it on record. Preston boy right there. Can you look at GJ? I don't trade GJ, my boy, so I can't really look at it. Can't really look at GJ because I don't trade it. I don't know how it moves. Caught the... Only saying it's done because Don closed his buys. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Watch us now or what? Fair enough. You bastard, I did not associate with Preston. I know. I knew that'd get you. I knew that'd get you. Yeah, chat, this is pushing right now. Not rubbing you rapids. It's crazy. Yeah, you're right. SC, do you remember when I asked about valuation and you said gold would hit... Oh, and said gold will hit 2,400 at 2190 levels. I said that. Or you. I think I said that too. I think I said 2,400 was valid. If you said it too, then GG, bro. Yeah, well done, man. Well done. 4 or 5 trades at the same price point. Ah, I get you, okay. Just pushing here, chat. Yeah, there's not much I could do here. Realistically. Like, there's no entries that we had. Absolutely no entries that I had. Not my play here. Do you have any advice for newer traders? What's good, the meme face? Yeah, I'd say learn a strategy. Go watch my free course, right? Learn the strategy. Okay, watch that course. There's more episodes coming out. Once you do that, give yourselves a demo account or a small live account. Familiarize yourself with the platform, whether it's C-Trader, MT5, whatever it is. Familiarize yourself. And then get a journal. Journal your trades. And yeah, find some data, find your statistics, and you'll be good. Cool. So chat, 15 minutes about to close. We've come and tapped near the top of the level, which is a little bit difficult for us here. I'm going to need to see how this 30-minute close, like we discussed, before we can sort of, you know, make any more judgments. This 4 hour at the minute is just ripping, to be honest. Ripping without any sort of, you know, structure at all. No bottom wicks on any of the 5s, which is nuts. You know, at this point, a little bit tough. We might need to be waiting for a closure above 23.76, or we'll get a pullback and we'll try and catch the top of the range being tapped again. The other difficulty obviously is as well that the 4 hour has no top wick currently, so for me that's a bit of an issue. Might be having to call it at the end of the 30 here, but we're gonna have to wait and see on that one. Again, chat, no FOMO or anything like this. There was absolutely zero positions for us here. No entries at all. Not even on the 5, right? Not even a bottom wick on the 5 if we wanted to drop down there. Which we obviously wouldn't, but, you know. It's interesting. The 15's got no top wick. It's come down to make a bottom wick first. Pretty strong level at 23.75 on the 15 there. We're gonna wait for the 30, chat. Last 4 hours without bottom wicks. Yeah, indeed, Jasper, indeed. But you know, we've just opened up, right? We're 15 minutes into the 4 hour, and we've got no top wick, so there's no direction for me. Obviously, direction at the minute is bullish, but there's no reassurance that we don't flip down here, especially after coming and closing, tapping into the levels that we needed to tap into, and closing pretty much at the level. For me, yeah. I was away for a bit. Did you take any trades? No, nothing yet, Zelly. Nothing. I want this 15 to make a bottom wick for the last 15. That's ambitious, bro. I like it though. If we did that, then I'd be taking it. Guys, tell him to look at gbpusd, bro. I've seen your messages asking me to look at gbpusd. I don't trade it, so I can't look at it. Okay. If we get some free time later, I'll do analysis on the pair that you want. But to trade right now, I'm focused on gold. We're trying to lock in here, so we need to stay focused. Just look at now and come back to gold. Nah, bro, I'm good. Thank you, though. Yo, I did not mean to pin that from you, Crypto Maniac. My bad. Bust them out young, have them independent by 45. That's crazy. Start pushing here. Pushing. When you last took random trade or like directly sell from resistance? I mean, like an impulse entry? I don't know. Months probably. I never really take in random impulse entries. Never. Yeah, not never. Obviously, I used to, but not anymore, man. Now, this is interesting. So, 15 just flipped and then reflipped very aggressively, but went nowhere. Reflipped again. It's almost as if it's trying to make a decision right now, whether it wants to continue upwards or whether we're looking to, you know, retrace, grab a bottom wick, all that sort of stuff. But listen, chat, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for this closure in 9 minutes here. 30-minute closure is happening in 9 minutes. Let's lock it in. Leave a like if you haven't already. I appreciate you all very, very much for that. And yeah, let's see if we can't grab something. Hungry again, chat. Why am I waking up hungry in the mornings now? A bit worrying. Hi, bro. Any trades taken today? Not today, Francesco. Not yet. It's so hot in my room right now. Wow. I have no clue why it's so hot, but it's absolutely boiling. Right, let me go open this window. One sec. We back. Cool. But yeah, the 15 made that bottom wick and flipped. If we were to take the flip, we'd be in heavy drawdown right now. We understood that there was levels around this area at 2374.6 ish. So that's why we didn't take the trade. We stayed patient. If we would have taken it, we'd be in drawdown, right? Very nice. Thank you for the value. Done for the week. See you guys in a bit. Yeah, all good, man. Appreciate you, Abdullah. GG's. And catch you next week. What's your advice on scaling a live account? Just keep trading as you normally do. Take, 1% risk. So then your lot size is always increasing as you scale. And yeah, just keep trading as you do. Risk, like, if you want to aggressively scale, risk 5% a trade. I think I'm sat around 2-3% on most of my trades. Don't over risk though. Don't go for like 10%, because then the moment you take a loss, you're pretty fucked. So yeah, I would say just don't even focus on the scaling. I'd say that's another thing as well. That's another huge thing. If you're focused on scaling and increasing in your balance, then you're focused on the money, right? Focus on being a good trader, getting pips when they present themselves, and yeah, don't focus on the money. I'm a new trader who's still learning it, and these streams help a lot. So thank you, brother, and keep up the good work. Hey, let's go, Brooks. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. You're in the right place. You're in the right place to start your journey. 100%. Make sure you're in the Discord though, Brooks, so you get some value in there as well. And everyone else for that matter too. Make sure you're in the Discord. It's huge value in there. And yeah. Let's see what this 30 does here. We're leaving ourselves with a wick fill. Now what we could look for here, which would be a good position, if we could come down here on the next 30, break the 4-hour low, make a small bottom wick, and then re-flip up the drive, that'd be enough for me. That'd be enough of a confirmation for me that we'd be looking to, continue upwards. Trying to see on these pushes before. Okay. Yeah, most of them don't really have a bottom wick, but they do have some, right? Like, it's not as if it's absolutely zero. There's like either a small wick or a or a little bit of a bigger one, but there's never zero. Well, not never, but most of these pushes, it at least comes down for a bottom wick most of the time. So realistically, it's a tough area for us to be in right now with this 4-hour no bottom wick. I would say just stay vigilant, keep looking out. We'll wait for some closures and see how it goes. Just join. Where are you looking to enter? We're waiting for we're waiting for this 30-minute closure in 4 minutes. If it forms correctly, we get a bottom wick, and then we'll look for a buy. But if not, we might be calling it, because I'm not taking sales just yet. Sales are going to be way down below. Who's ringing me? Shit. Getting called, chat. Popular man. I'm playing. Sales are probably going to be way like just below here. At 23.65 now. That's going to be a range 2 breakout for us. But in terms of that, I'm not really looking for it too much, to be honest. What if the 30-minute close is bearish? They wouldn't want to take sales personally. Just a range 1 fake out at that point. Actually, that's just a range 1 breakout. We need range 2 for sales. Get an account, just focus on winning. It doesn't matter if you had 1 nice win when you have 5 bad losses. Get obsessed with winning and win streaks, and you will scale. Absolutely disagree, brother. You don't need to focus on win streaks. Focusing on win streaks is the worst thing you can do. Chat, just every trade is a brand new chat, right? Every trade is a brand new trade, okay? Don't think about the last trade when you're entering a new one, and don't think about the next trade as well. You gotta just think about this trade, whether it's valid because of price action. Don't even think about what your account's at. Don't think about whether you're in profit. None of that stuff. Focus on, is this trade valid? Am I taking this trade according to my plan? Am I risking appropriately? If yes, take it. If it loses, fine. If it wins, fine. After that trade, either way, if it loses or wins, you're done. That trade's gone, you forget about it. Next trade and the next day, a brand new day, right? You're not even thinking about that loss before. You're not thinking about the win that you took before. You're not thinking about being on a 10 streak. You just take your trade. Very simple. Social media gets win streaks in your guys' head because traders can market shit, right? Traders love to market win streaks, and they love to market, you know, everything on social media. Win streaks don't matter, bro, at all. They don't matter. I'll tell you why they don't matter as well. Because let's say you have a trader, and there are traders out there like that, on an institutional level too, not just at a retail level, but on an institutional level too. There are traders who only win 1 in 10 trades, but that win is big enough to make up for the 9 losses plus more. Okay, there's some institutions that play that way. So they're not focused on win streaks. But then obviously you have some others that are, you know, trading normally, 1-to-1 RR or whatever. Lock in, 2 minutes for a 30 close. Yeah, you're right, Dan. My bad. I got focused on a little speech there. My bad. What's good, Telios, by the way? Yeah, 1 minute 20 here for the 30-minute close. Yeah, 1 minute. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. There's a lot of potential here. Hopefully we can come down and grab a decent bottom wick. If we do, we've got a lot of wick to fill. A lot of wick to fill. Ideally, again, we want to be closing above these levels though on the 30. We might be seeing a mirror of this movement here, chat. You see we tapped into this level up here at 23.75, which we just did, exactly. Then we came down, and then we broke the lows, and then we pushed. Big speech on Friday, always. Are you seeing this mirror over here? Are you seeing this mirror? You know, I'm going to do this. Where was I? Was it this? No, what was I just looking at? It was that, right? 23.75, yeah. Might be looking at something like that. 23.72 is a 61 fib level. Last swing high to low. Yeah, I don't know about that very personally. I don't really trade that way, so yeah. 30-minute opened here, made a small top wick, and now it's coming down to create that bottom wick. Interesting. On my broker as well, it's got no top wick. Right, Trumpet Man's going crazy again. Chat, can we come down here? I'd love for us to break these lows right now. We can break the 4-hour lows. Flip bearish and then reflip. I'd be happy to take that trade. But I think realistically, chat, if we don't break those lows, I don't think I can take it. How much did you make in a month approximately? That's a crazy question. You know, when I was brought up as a kid, there was always like, you know, I was always told you don't ask about 3 things: money, religion, and politics. I would never ask anyone their monthly salary. Regular job, right? Crazy that in trading that people think it's okay to ask that. Waiting for this hourly to get his bottom wick. Yeah, trust me. That's a good play. It might be an hourly close. Let's wait for this 1 hour, actually. Why not? I was going to call it after this 30, but we'll wait for the 1, see what it does. If the 1 closes around here and then flips down and reflips, we're looking good. I'm waiting for the hourly. Oh, I just read that, bro. Wow, mad. She has a milli account. It's crazy. I wanted to open a 1.5 lot on my funded, and I opened a 15 lot, closed in drawdown. Bro, good discipline to close that in drawdown. Very good discipline to close that in drawdown. Very hard to do that, right? You might want to leave it open just in case you get profits, or you know what I mean. But good discipline to close in a drawdown. It's a mistake, and it won't happen again. You'll be chilling. Make sure from now on that doesn't happen. Realistically, chat as well, you should be thinking in percentages rather than yeah, like Dan's right. You should be thinking in percentages as a trader, right? Not even if you just ask me, but just in general. If you you know, if you think in percentages, that's going to change the game for you because you're not thinking about the money. So for example, if a trader has 500k in their account, they make 1%, and they make 5 grand a month, right? But if a trader has 1k and they make 1k again, who's the better trader? Probably the guy with the 500k. I can't lie, because he's probably more sustainable. But you know what I mean? It's just all about perspective and percentages and all that stuff. Best time to trade in XAUUSD, and in what time zone are you telling to? UK time for me, so BST. Currently it's 10:30 in the morning, and the best time to trade is probably around now for London session, and for New York around 2:30 my time. 2ish. Yeah, I'll be back in 1 sec. We back. You man, counting again. It's crazy. What are you counting to? Bro, this is mad. We're getting to the point now where chat's got inside jokes that even I don't know about. You're bad at counting. Yeah, you are not very good at counting, chat. Do you trade from more than one funded account if then you use a copy trader? Yeah, I use Traders Connect. I use Traders Connect. Crazy, chat. So, what's the plan? What is the plan? Well, we're going to wait for 24 minutes time for this 1 hour closure. Once that happens, we're going to see how we close. If we close bullish like this, and we then on the next hourly grab a bottom wick that comes down and breaks this 4 hour low, creates a bottom wick for it and flips, then we'll be looking at some positions. If it doesn't do that, then we won't. Very simple. If it doesn't do that, we'll call it a day. Call it a London session. See you next week, mate. W week. Let's take some rest this weekend and come back fully locked in on Monday. Hey, let's go down. Yeah, good shit. Good shit. See you on Monday. W week. And yeah. Cool. Normal people count sheep to sleep. Traders count pips. Crazy. That's a fact. When I began trading a year ago, I was focused on the money and lost it all. Now a year later, I have my rules. I journal and focus on percentage, and it goes way better. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. Exactly. Nice. Nice. Cool. So the volume seems to have died off a little bit. Just a little bit. But obviously it does that. It happens. We drive, we pick up, we drop off. All the volume, you know, is changing over and over. Let's see. I think in 20 minutes it was going to be 11 o'clock. There's potential that we have, you know, the volume pick up around there. Normally it does. So we'll see what happens with that. And then we'll play some picks letters and we'll call it a day, right? We'll play some picks letters and we'll call it a day in a little bit. In fact, actually, chat, you know what? Let's play some pixel letters now. We'll play some pixel letters now. Why not? I think, to be honest, probably not going to get a move till New York. I don't want to string you guys along. I've also got stuff to do, so it's Friday. You guys can enjoy the rest of your day. We'll play some pixel letters. We'll call it. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I didn't actually even look at the likes today, but who cares? It doesn't matter. Just make sure you guys drop a like, and we'll very, very appreciate that. Subscribe if you're new. Join the Discord, all that stuff. We'll play some pixel letters right now, and then after that, we're going to call it. Sound good? Cool. Yeah, see you Monday, bro. Behind you. See you Monday. Beans. Yeah, I need you guys to help me out. And also, if you haven't already, or not if you haven't already, but if you guys want to, we have a Clash of Clans clan called Team Trendlines. Make sure you guys join that. It's pretty sick. And if you're in the clan already and you haven't done your war attack, fix up, because you're getting kicked if you don't do an attack. Alright? So if you don't know how this game works, it's like Wordle, but we have pixels on these spaces. If it's green, then there's a pixel in that spot, and if it's red, then there's not. Pretty simple. Right? Someone's got to help me with the word though, chat, because I can't be doing this on my own. What do we think here, chat? What do we think? Melee? I don't know what this word is, chat. I'm learning Forex is way better than to save money up and eating by inflation. If no one takes the risk, we end up living a middle class life that surely no one wants. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. You're very right, Dark Ray. Welcome to the gang as well. Don't know how this game works, bro. It's just Wordle. It's just Wordle, but with pixels as well. So we have to guess the word, and if there's a pixel that's green, it's in the final letter, and if there's not, then it isn't. You'll pick it up as we go along, right? I'm gonna do a fill, I guess. You see, so now we have an A here and a Y at the end, right? And you see that we have pixels here, but we don't have these ones. So yeah. I thought that was a good guess. I can't lie. Can't lie. Hardy Caprio. What's the word, chat? What is this word? Yeah, I thought Hardy. Josh, do your clan attacks, bruv. Yeah, I did say Hardy. Do your clan attacks, Josh. I'm gonna be upset. I'm playing, bro. If you don't have time, then fair. Actually, no, I'm not. Do them. Okay, chat, one more, and then we'll call it a day, right? Hardy means like, Hardy. Crazy guess. Crazy guess from the brethren. I will waiting for a true upgrade. You don't have long, Joe. You don't have long. How long do you have? You have an hour. You have an hour to make 2 attacks. Hour? Can't be tower. Not a bad guess. I'm attacking an hour. Okay, you're good. You're good. What is the HM? What's this word, chat? Help me out real quick. Yeah, Voter. Good guess, Spion and Tutti Fruity and Josh. GG's. Right, one more and then we'll call it. Said that on the last one, but we're going to play the final game. And that's going to be it for the day. Beans. What are we looking at over here? It might have been a bad guess, but we got a letter, so it's okay. Right, what are we looking at over here? Nothing in the middle. Nothing on the left of this, then. Tether, that's crazy. It's 6 letters. Could be jetty. Not a bad guess. Oh. Okay, there's numerous options here right now. Isn't there? Or is there only one? Is it only petty? It's gotta be petty. Yeah. Locked it in there, chat. GG's. Cool, guys. Well, that's going to be it for the day. I appreciate you. Full margin petty. Yeah, trust me, full margin. Bosh. Excellent chat. So that's going to be it for the day. If you are trading the rest of the day, make sure you be careful. You know, it's Friday. You don't want to ruin your streak or whatever it is, ruin your, you know, your week, I'd rather say, not streak. But, you know, ruin your winning week or whatever. Just make sure you stick to the plan. Take your positions if they come. And, yeah, trade responsibly, manage risk, all that good stuff. If you don't get any more trades today or whatever, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Zoom, I'm going to catch you later. Goodbye. And, yeah, I'll catch you all later, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Have a great rest of the day. Catch you later. Bye-bye.